How to search for a user on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can search for a user on Reddit, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Reddit account, just like I've done here. And so after logging into your Reddit account, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the home page where you would see a search bar and then click on it. By clicking on the search bar, next step would be for you to type in the exact username of the person you are looking for. Okay, so let's say, for example, the person is Tife, and then after typing out the exact name of the person that you are looking for, you would have to look for the communities and user heading. Under it, you will see a list of users and subreddits that match your search. As you can see on my screen, you can see the users, the community, and the users that fall under the name that I just typed. And then the next thing will be for you to look for the username that match with you, followed by the username they are looking for. Then click on that name to be brought to their profile. So just locate it, click on the name, and then you brought to their profile. Go to the profile to see if it's the person that you're looking for, and then if it's the person, go ahead and send the person a message. All right, and this message would work if you know the exact name or the exact username, or at least you know one of the names of the person that you're looking for. That way you'll be able to locate the person through this method. That is how it works. This is how you can search for a user on Reddit. So go ahead and search for that person today. Have a nice day.